bamba. Don't say I don't want something in life. Say what is it that you want. Yabo? If you say I don't want this, what is it that you actually want? Because your mind will focus on what you are mentioning and what you are aware of. So mountain angikufuna ukuthi ufunani, because many people they know what they don't want. Exactly, they know for sure, but they don't know what they want. As a matter of fact, ingqondo yabo ayazi ukuthi iba algorithm ye consciousness iba populated ini, because iba populated lokhu aba focus ekona, lokhu abangakufuni. Because that's what they yabo umuntu manje angifuni imoto yami intshontsho, angifuni nje iyona into engayifuni le ukuthi imoto yami intshontsho. So ubuka izinto ezingama loopholes ezenza ukuthi imoto igcine intshontshiwe. Hayibo lonto ubuka uyadefenda yena kodwa yena akakhiphi uku defense mode. Ikhona ni team yakhe yawini defendile kuphela inga strike. That's what you are actually doing by focusing on what you don't want instead of focusing on what you want. You need to override things. Yes, you siya override la ngokuthini, si override lokho okukhona mhlawumbe singakudingi ngalokho esikufunayo thina ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunombani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapha sisuka khona futhi kukude lapha siya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, yabona. Yabona njengoba ngihlezi ngithi mina wena uyiprogrammer. When you program this tool, yabo, ukuthi if this happens, this is what happens, because I know exactly what is it that I want. Yabo mangabe uyi-app developer, uzo develop i-app, wena uba nesithombe la engqondweni ukuthi ufuna i-app yakho isebenza kanjani, yabo. Awubi nesithombe sokuthi ikuphi ongafuni i-app yakho ikwenze. Cha, lokho ukubona ngalesi sikhathi uya lapho uya khona ekuthenini you are building this app, usetha ama conditions. Because if you focus on what you want, how you want your app to look like, you go on this direction, yabo, you take this direction. But it's a polarity if when you focus on what you don't. Phela when i-app yakho awufuni ukuthi ingasebenzi ngalendlela ongafuni isebenze ngayo, ufuna isebenze ngalendlela ufuna ukuthi isebenze ngayo. Yabo ukuthi it's a polarity. So do yourself a favor, have a picture of what you want. Yes, if you have a picture of what you want, then it's done. It's done. Ukuthi because the ends will determine the means. The ends will determine the means. Because if there are no ends, there are no means. So that is why ubona umuntu uzama lokhu, uqala lokhu, uyeka lokhu, uyashaya finder, because there is no end. That will have determined the means. So now I'm trying to rescue you. Guys, you don't fight darkness in any way besides shining the light. That's how you fight it. Abo? That's how you fight it. There is no any other way of fighting it. So how so when not thinking that you are going to achieve what you want without focusing on it, while you are focusing on what you don't want? You are looking at all these things because you are trying to run away from the danger. You are trying to eliminate the danger. And that's what actually happens, because the algorithm picks that up and then it's present to you. If you are a programmer, surely unesithombe sokuthi ufuna into isebenze kanjani. Uba nama conditions ukuthi uma kwenzeka nje kuzokwenzeka kanje, uma kwenzeka kanje kuzokwenzeka kanje. Yabo, uya associate ingqondo, guys, iya program. Uya associate, uyabona ingqondo indlela ongayiprograma ngayo, ngoba wena kunento ekuthiwa isikhathi ukhiye nje first. Ngesikhathi esukuthi makushaya leso sikhathi leso ingqondo isiyazi ukuthi what needs to happen. Yes, what needs to happen, because these are practical steps now. These are the means that have been predetermined by the ends. Iyazi kahle ingqondo yakho seku4 time for the gym. Yabo? Iyazi kahle. If kuukuthi isikhathi awukho good kusona, but ingqondo yakho izokwazi ukuthi for sure after the gym what is the next. Leyo nto leyo kwi-atomic habits bayibiza nge-habit stacking. Habit stacking. Ingqondo yakho iyazi ukuthi after this is what follows. Yabo? Every time isiyazi ingqondo yakho. Angithi sometimes nawe ukubona ukuthi even if kuthiwa uyi mhlawumbe emsebenzini so sekunezinto ozenzayo kodwa ingqondo yakho isijwayele ukuthi wena uvuka wenze kanje. Yabo? Noma mhlawumbe isiyazi ingqondo yakho ukuthi okay wena yabo njalo umuntu qedwe wenza ukuthi isiyazi ingqondo yakho wena usuzokwenza ukuthi ingqondo iya associate kanjalo. That's how the habits are being formed. Yes, that's how you program the subconscious mind. Yabo? But lento akuzobuyenza conscious indaba okunye kungajwayeleki. Ilento ukuthi vele lokho okunye unokuthi vela ukufuna, awukuthandi. Yabo lokho othola ukuthi uyakwenza ngoba uphoqelekile. Yabo uthothi uyakwenza ukuphoqelekile. Ingqondo yakho ayijwayeli. Ingqondo yakho ayijwayeli nje. Njalo iyazi ukuthi yona isi-associate lesi sikhathi lesi mhlambe sokwenza leyo nto ne-pain. That is why every time you want to do it kuba naleyo resistance, because every time isi-associate what you need to do with the pain of doing it. Yabo? Because i-program leyo. But if when you will have something conscious that you are going to develop, ukuthi this is what I do because this road or this path leads to where I want to be. Into enzakalayo ingqondo yakho i-associate lento yenzayo nama results that you want to achieve. Yabo? Every time. Ngaleyo ndlela every time you do this uzithola motivated, because what does it mean? Because ingqondo isebenza meaning, what does it mean for me, this thing? Yabo? I mean, I wouldn't come here and joke nje. Ingqondo yami ngazi ukuthi what does this mean for me? It will be kuzoba nje very arduous ngale ndlela leyo. Uthi why ngiyagijima nje ngihupha into engekho kube buhlungu futhi la sengikhathele. Why I'm doing this? But because with background I know what is it that is actually happening, then I'm motivated to do it. Yabo? Lokho kwesekubiza ngelokhu unganaki ngaba is some form of a commitment device. Yabo? Sikubiza commitment device. Into ekwenza ukuthi uthi get up and do what you need to do, not what you want to do. It's a commitment device. Just like maybe doing what you love while doing what you don't love, but owazi kahle ukuthi kunama benefits for you in the near future. Or first do what you need to do before you do what you want to do. Yabo? So you don't do what you want to do before you do what you need to do. Yabo? So angazi mina abantu ngibabona becabanga ukuthi there is something for them without their direct involvement. You are consciously going to build lento oyifunayo wena. Abo mungenaso isithombe la mfethu uzokwakhani ngoba yonke into iqhamuka kwisithombe. Leso sithombe si-exista kwenye dimension. Yes, any dimension le, and that picture of yours, that's life. It's actually there. It's there. It's for it's up to you ukuthi uyayigrab yini. It's up for a grab. Yabo? It's there. You can grab it or you can leave it. It's up to you. How do you grab it? By you connecting with it. This is what I want. Ngalokuthi wena this is what I want, you are connecting to that picture. That's you on the other dimension, on the other side. You are connecting, and then you are going to become. It's not a matter of what you need to do. It's a matter of who to become. And then who to become will be determined by the habits that you are formulating. Lapha ku-YouTube njengoba ngomsombuluko nangolwesine ngo-7 PM njalo senza ama spiritual practices. I've decided ukuthi I don't upload anything like full video. Ngenzela ukuthi umuntu ayicommit ngoba abantu bacabanga ukuthi bazohlala nje befise. Lento ba library, walking library ekusize. You need to take actions. We do spiritual practices is the way of me practicalizing things lapha ya. I use a lot.